Once you receive the package with your new BCN3D Sigma, it's time to unbox it and set it up. It is very important to keep all the packaging and everything it contains, in case you need to claim the warranty. Open the box and you will find everything you need to set up your BCN3D Sigma, carefully surrounded in protective foam. First, you will find a Ziploc bag containing the printer documentation. This bag also contains a quick start guide, information about our maintenance kit and materials, which you can buy online from our website, a welcome card, and the warranty. Afterwards, you will find the print surface and 2 spools of PLA filament. You will also find the declaration of conformity. Last but not least, you will find 2 boxes. One is the component kit and the other is the toolkit for your BCN3D Sigma. In the component kit, you will find 2 bowden tubes, 2 spool holders, a bag of 10 thumb screws, nylon cleaning filament to clean the hot ends, a bag of 4 coupling clips and 4 flat cable clips, a sample part, a power supply cable, an Ethernet cable, a USB cable, and a Wi-Fi dongle. In the toolkit, you will find pliers, 3 Allen keys, a spatula, an SD card, 10 shims, a calibration gauge, and a Magi-Goo glue stick. In the slot, you will find 3 pieces of cable covers. Once you remove everything from the foam packaging, take the foam out together with the separating cardboard to be able to access the printer. Also, remove the protective foam from each side of the printer. Together with another person, take the printer out while holding the upper part of the frame on each side. Place the printer on a stable surface. Cut the zip tie that secures the protective plastic bag and remove it. Before plugging in the printer, remove the protective foam from underneath the printing platform and the 4 red clamps holding each of the belts, 2 on the X-axis and 2 more on the Y-axis. To remove the belt clamps, hold the belt with 2 fingers and pull the clamp with the other hand. In order to install the bowdens, insert them into the slots on the upper part of the printer. Once they are connected to the motor and the hot end, secure them using the coupling clips. Afterwards, secure the flat cables to the bowden with the flat cable clips. Remove the protective films from both sides of the cable covers. Place the cable covers by the central panel, which goes all the way to the back in the printer's interior, and secure it using the thumb screws provided in the component kit. You will not need any tools to do this. Then mount the side panels the same way. Connect the power cable into the back of the printer and turn on your BCN3D Sigma. The Sigma line's packaging has been carefully designed to provide maximum security to the printer so that you receive it in perfect condition. However, if you notice any kind of damage that might have happened during transportation, please contact your local distributor.